Central, we are tracking a Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport in excess of 200 miles per hour on Mission Beach. Requesting pursuit assistance.
Confirm patrol. Speed enforcement interceptor unit en route. Suspect is driving on the residential road. The roadblock is deployed directly ahead of you.
Roadblock reporting activity. All units move in.
EMP activated, acquiring target lock.
Contact.
Suspect is escaping. Please maintain pursuit.
Roadblock patrol units on scene. Let me know where you want them.
All units, roadblock in position ahead.
Driver involved in a 1050 with police roadblock. All units move in.
Air pursuit unit is online.
Look out. Roger that. Aerial pursuit unit engaging.
Suspect is headed towards the residential road.
This is Roadblock Patrol 1. We are on scene. Standing by. Over. We just lost him. Roadblock successful. Moving to the bus.
Spike strip has failed to slow. The target suspect is still on the run.
Roadblock unit dispatch. Please advise on target position. This is aerial pursuit. Hit confirmed. Suspect immobilized. Spikes on the road.